Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to destination for smart buying decisions. Today, we're diving into what we confidently call the best lunchbox available in 2026, the GEARGO upgraded cordless electric lunchbox. If you're tired of lukewarm meals or fast food on the go, this might just change your daily routine forever. At first glance, the GEARGO lunchbox looks sleek and modern, but what makes it truly revolutionary is what's inside. This isn't just a lunchbox, it's your personal portable kitchen. With a whopping 6.3 cups or 1.5 liters of capacity, it can comfortably fit a full-sized meal, protein, carbs, veggies, and sides. Whether you're meal prepping for work, traveling, or simply want a hot homemade meal wherever you go, this box is built to handle it. Let's talk about power. The built-in 20,000 mAh rechargeable battery is no joke. That kind of capacity isn't just for one warm-up, it can handle multiple heat cycles on a single charge. And it doesn't just heat randomly, it's intelligent. You can schedule your meal to heat up at a specific time, up to 24 hours in advance. Imagine getting off a job site or finishing a long drive and having a perfectly hot meal waiting for you. That's a level of convenience very few products can offer. Heating is fast and efficient. GEARGO claims a heating time between 20 to 70 minutes depending on the meal and your settings. The internal stainless steel tray ensures even heat distribution, so you won't have hot and cold spots in your food. And when you're done eating, cleanup is simple. The tray is dishwasher safe. Another unique feature is the included ice crystal box. This is designed to keep your fresh ingredients cool until it's time to heat. Perfect for salads, yogurts, or meal components that shouldn't sit in heat for hours. It's a dual-function setup, cold preservation first, then precise heating when you want it. Portability is also clearly a priority in its design. There are no dangling cords or bulky heating plates required. It's completely cordless when in use and charges via USB-C. So whether you're in a car, at a park, on a worksite, or stuck at a desk, your lunch doesn't have to suffer. In terms of build quality, GEARGO went with a food-grade stainless steel interior paired with a tough outer casing that looks built to last. The handle is ergonomic and the unit feels sturdy in the hand. It's clear they designed this with both men and women in mind, from rugged job sites to office desks. Now let's talk real-world scenarios. Truck drivers, construction workers, students, remote employees, or even caregivers looking after loved ones. All of them can benefit from this device. It's not just about eating, it's about bringing comfort and consistency to your day, wherever you are. As we wrap up, let's be honest. Most lunchboxes keep things cold or lukewarm. Very few can actively cook or heat your food, and even fewer do it cordless, scheduled, and smart. That's why the GEARGO 2026 cordless electric lunchbox isn't just a product, it's a daily upgrade. If you're ready to level up your meals with convenience, power, and flexibility, this is the lunchbox to beat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product insights, right here on Product Critique. Until next time, stay smart, stay curious.